Are you planning to appear for the CAT 2025? Let's go through the complete eligibility criteria you need to know before applying. The Common Admission Test is the primary gateway to MBA and PGDM programs at 21 Indian Institutes of Management, along with over 1,300 business schools across India. It is a computer-based test covering three sections: verbal ability and reading comprehension, data interpretation and logical reasoning, and quantitative ability. The exam will be conducted by IIM Kozhikode on November 30th, 2025. Basic academic eligibility. First, candidates must hold a bachelor's degree or equivalent qualification from a recognized university. Second, the minimum marks required are 50% for general, EWS and NC OBC categories and 45% for SC, ST and PWD candidates. Third, final year students can also apply provisionally provided they submit a certificate from their institution confirming their enrollment. CAT 2025 also welcomes candidates with specialized professional degrees. This includes chartered accountants, company secretaries, cost accountants, and actuaries. As long as they meet the minimum marks criteria, they are eligible for the test. There is no upper age limit to take CAT, making it accessible to fresh graduates as well as experienced professionals. Work experience is not mandatory to appear for the exam. However, many IIMs and business schools award extra points for relevant work experience during their final selection rounds. Reservation is provided as per Government of India norms. That means 27% for NCOBC, 15% for SC, 7.5% for ST, 10% for EWS, 5% horizontal reservation for PWD across all categories, and for general 40%. Additionally, the minimum marks requirement is reduced to 45% for SC, ST, and PWD candidates. Unlike many other competitive exams, CAT has no limit on the number of attempts. You can take the test any number of times in your lifetime. Combined with no age restrictions, this inclusive policy enables career transitions at any stage. So, are you eligible for CAT 2025? If you have a recognized bachelor's or professional degree with the required minimum marks, you qualify. Final year students can also apply. With no upper age limit and unlimited attempts, CAT offers maximum flexibility. Mark your calendars, registration begins on August 1st, 2025. Visit imcat.ac.in for official updates and start your preparation early.